In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix TikTok Shop not showing. If TikTok Shop isn't appearing where you expect it to, the most common cause is outdated or cluttered app data. We're going to clear that safely from inside TikTok, then access the shop from your account so the feature can refresh. This won't delete your videos, followers, drafts, or profile details. It only clears stored browsing information that can interfere with menus loading correctly. Start by opening the TikTok app and going to your account screen. In the top corner, tap the three dots or three lines to open the main menu. From there, select Settings. Inside Settings, choose Privacy and Security. This is where TikTok keeps tools that manage your data and how the app behaves. Find the option to delete browsing data and tap it. You'll see a confirmation prompt. Tap Delete Data to proceed. Clearing browsing data removes cached pages, temporary files, and similar items that can cause features like TikTok Shop to hide or not refresh properly. It won't remove your content, but it may sign you out of certain in-app web views, which is normal. Give the app a moment to complete the cleanup. Now, go back to your TikTok account screen. Tap More, which may appear as a button or the same three-line menu depending on your version of the app. In the menu, select Sell on TikTok Shop. This option is the direct gateway to the shop experience. After you tap it, you'll be redirected to TikTok Shop. The redirect can take a few seconds. That's the app pulling fresh data now that the old browsing cache is cleared. If you're eligible and the feature is available in your region, the shop interface should appear and function normally. If you still have problems and TikTok Shop isn't showing after these steps, reach out to TikTok customer service with your concern. When you contact support, briefly explain that TikTok Shop isn't appearing. Mention that you've already cleared your browsing data and note when the issue started. Including your device model and any on-screen messages can help them pinpoint the cause faster. Screenshots of what you see before and after tapping. Sell on TikTok Shop are also useful. That's it. By clearing browsing data and accessing the shop through the More menu, you refresh the feature without affecting your content. If the shop still doesn't show, customer service can review your account and availability settings and guide you further. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped restore TikTok Shop on your account.